So to begin with, we will just see that we will multiply 7 and 16, and from there, instead of making it in the form of a big number, I'll try to make smaller factors. So smaller factors for 7 is not possible, but for 16 we can just break it down into 2, 2, 2 and 2. It is always preferred to make prime factors. Okay, for 16 we could have written 4 times 4, 8 times 2, but that we will sort it out later. Now we have to make a group of two numbers so that whose sum or difference gives us 58. So for that we will see that 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8 and 7 8s are 56. So if I recombine all these, this will come only by trial and error, there is no fixed method for this. If I recombine all these, I'll get 56 and 2. Now 56 times 2, you can just check that out in your calculator also, that it will be equal to 7 times 16. So 56 and 2 will work over here. So I'll just write it down as 7x square minus 56x minus 2x plus 16 less than or equal to 0. Inequality, we will deal with it later. Right now we're just trying to factorize it. So moving further, from the first two terms, I'll take 7x common. It will be x minus 8. And then from the next two terms, I'll take minus 2 common. So it will be x minus 8 again. This is a very important checkpoint for factorizing quadratic, that these two brackets should have same values. If they are not same, it means we have done something wrong. They are same, I can move on. So x minus 8 taken common, 7x minus 2 will be the leftover terms. 7x and minus 2 are taken together, and then that will be less than or equal to 0. After this, I will continue with my regular process, that we will first plot it on the number line. So if you look at the x values from here, I'm getting x is equal to 8 and 2 by 7. I don't have to solve it, but at least by looking at it, I can say that 2 by 7 is smaller. I'll place it here and 8 will be here. The next thing is looking at this sign. Whatever is the value, it doesn't matter, but sign, if it is positive, it will be an upward parabola. So here it is. And then we are looking for the portion where it is less than or equal to 0. So as we did in earlier questions, we can just write down the answer. It will be x greater than or equal to 2 by 7 less than or equal to 8. So that will be the final answer for this.